guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today is Saturday. I have a full weekend ahead of me. I decided to film in my living room just because I wanted to mix things up a bit, and also my boyfriend is sleeping, so yeah, I'm filming the intro in my living room. Anyways, so this weekend I need to do a couple of paintings. One of them is for a Patreon. I've added a new tier to my Patreon, and one of the benefits includes an original painting each month. I will link my Patreon in the description box if you want to check it out. And I also need to do the desktop wallpaper for the month of April. So so I asked my patrons what kind of painting they would want, and they voted for landscapes in bright colors. I will be attempting to do that in this video, and I'm also I need to package up Patreon rewards as usual, and I wanted to show you guys what the Patreon rewards will be for this month. So first off, I did this sticker, which is actually a clear sticker. I do have it on my phone case just so you can see how it looks, and I think it's a pretty cool sticker. I also made some tiny holographic stickers with some birds. I think they turned out pretty nice, and I saw that a lot of people really enjoy holographic stickers, so this will be also going to my $15 patrons. And I also made some new pocket mirrors. So these are bigger than the ones I made a while back, and these are exclusive for Patreon, so they will not be going up in my shop, but the stickers will. I will have a shop update coming very soon. I'm just waiting for the washi tape to arrive, and I will have some magnetic notepads and also sticker sheets and some prints. So I will have a video dedicated to the shop update, and I'm really excited about it. I really love the new products I made, and I'm super excited about the washi tape. It's something I've been dreaming to make for quite a while. I hope it arrives within the next month, as I did order it from China, and shipping does take quite a while. So yeah, this is pretty much what you will be seeing. I do need to take some product pictures, but I won't be including them in this vlog. And besides that, I want to get cracking on doing some clay jewelry. I want to make some stud earrings, and hopefully that will be coming up in the next weeks, as I do want to include some in my shop update as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you will enjoy the studio vlog. You will see some footage of my cat and the usual. I hope it's not too boring. Let me know in the comment section what would you like to see more of in the studio vlogs. I try to include pretty much everything I do in a day, but since I do only work in the weekends, it's hard to include anything too exciting. My months tend to be pretty repetitive, and I do pretty much the same things, which is packing up Patreon rewards, packing up orders, stuff like that. So I still hope you find it interesting. I love hearing from you in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, and yeah, keep watching. Bye.